up, YouTube? Luke QC3D. How's it going? Hope it's well. 'Cause I'm beat. It's been a busy November. We are 2 days into December. Well, on the second day to December, and I'm beat. A lot of my items are Christmas ornaments, so it's my time of the month for 3D print sales on Etsy and Facebook. So let's take a look around and see the madness that has gone on here. Well, we were busy. We're still busy. November. I knew I was going to be busy. My shelves were emptied 4 times this month of November. My bins are empty of items. I've actually had to shut down a few items because I just couldn't keep up replenishing them. I just chose the higher profit items that I could sell. Even broke out my old Ender 3 to help catch up. The King Rune was busy. That printer had been going 24/7 for the past month. So they got a little break now. We got caught up with the parts that they made. The filament rack has been emptied and refilled multiple times. I've had 3 or 4 bulk filament orders this month. So crazy. Put a little portable heater in here because it's getting cold here in Pennsylvania. But let's take a look at the numbers and just show you how busy I've been. Here's my Etsy stats for November 1st to November 30th. We did over $7,000 in revenue, 7.8% conversion rate, 400 items sold. 400 items sold. I'm typically selling 130 items. I've gone through many orders of boxes. Had just another one show up today. Many boxes, many rolls of tape, many padded envelopes, lots of labels. Going through lots of labels. Had to do an emergency order of label rolls. Lots of glue. I went through lots of glue. Lots of items still being made. Lots of lots of glue. Lots of paint pen for the items that get paint. Lots of parts for items I make. Lots of mess. I just swept up before this video, but yeah, mess everywhere. My kids don't help. They throw stuff on the ground here. We got a toy drill and a pink chair. Almost out of some bubble wrap. Got one more bulk roll, but I'm going to place another order because that will go quick. I've blasted through 2 rolls in November, so I want to make sure I have enough here. But we are busy. Not sure if I showed you my last video, but hey, I got a Mark III by Prusa. Built that. That took like 10 hours, 8 to 10 hours to build. Took a long time. Took my time, a lot of breaks. I wanted it to be right because I like to rush things, but I took my time on that, and it does well. It does well, but I mean, I use it to print small things that I can print on my minis. Oh, speaking of mini, just ordered a mini. Just ordered a mini this morning. This morning from Printed Solid in Delaware. The company that Prusa just bought. They make their own filament there. Wilmington, Delaware, somewhere in Delaware. I get in the area often, but I just ordered a printer from them this morning. Checked my UPS. It's going to show up. It's going to show up tomorrow. That's awesome. Can't wait. I need another mini. I might just order 2. I've got a lot of extra cash in the account after this month that I'd rather get a tax write-off on than transfer it to my own account. But yeah, here's my stats for the month. Let me roll down here a little bit. So some of the items I make, I kind of put them in the order of what I sell the most of. a business card holder I make. It's my most popular item. Did 97 of those last month, November. I keep saying this month, last month. I'm talking about November. December's off to a great start already, but Christmas ornaments. 91 of the one style, 67 of another. I'm sorry if you're not zooming in there. I'm not screen sharing, but yeah, we did good. Did good. Sold a lot of items. That's page 1. Business card holders. Christmas ornaments are my hot items. I have some magnets that sold. Page 2, 25 items. That's another Christmas ornament. Probably my least popular Christmas ornament. Some magnets and items, custom items. Yeah, what a month. Hey, let's, while we're in here, we are on, it's December 2nd. It's almost 11 p.m. here. Let's take a look at this month. 2 days. $779. We sold 44 items. Yeah, I got in town late last night, packaged about 30 of those items, and I've got about 14 plus to go out tomorrow. But who knows? I could wake up to a lot more orders. Yeah, I told myself that, all right, in October, you better start stocking up all of these ornaments. And I was busy. I was really busy before. I stocked about half of what I thought I should have had. And that wasn't enough. Every weekend I've been down in this basement all day trying to keep up. It's a lot of items are being made per order now. So yeah, Christmas ornaments. Man, should I get into Halloween items too? I think I'm going to take advantage of some more holidays with the items that I make. Here's some of my items. Little miniature grill Christmas ornaments. Some hair dryer business card holders. Those are my hot items there. Things I designed and sell. So some more drying, different variations of miniature grills. Kind of made one of these for myself. To match my grill for my Christmas tree, and it spun off from there. And here we are, selling $7,000 worth of these crazy things. So, hey, look at this. Here's a little item I made. A little cooling tower, 3 Mile Island. That's the town I'm in here. Middletown, Pennsylvania. Home of the nuclear explosion in 1979. Hey, thanks for checking out my craziness. Be sure to subscribe to see how this goes for the year. I mean, my very first YouTube video says I made $10,000 my first year. I almost made that in a month and a couple days here. So gotta love it. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. If you want to know anything, probably gonna sell that and put another Prusa Mini there. We'll catch you next time. Hey, one last thing before I go. So finally getting ready to upload this video. It's December 6th, so 4 days after I recorded the video you just saw. Just wanted to give another update. So we're not even a week into December, and we're doing $2,000 already. That's a little more than that's what I do in a typical month throughout the year. Did that in a week. This Christmas thing is still crazy. Trying to take advantage of it as much as I can, but in my store I have quite a few items that are just out of stock that I can't keep up with. So But that's still good. I'm selling everything off my shelves and everything I do have in stock. It's like I'm the only person on Etsy. Really, it's what it seems because people are buying the oddest things from me. Um, so yeah, it's a good time to sell 3D prints on Etsy. It's at the holidays. Um, I did look up my last year's sales. Um, Last November, I did $1,000 and thought I was crazy. So, um, very good. Thanks for watching.